whole point of teaching Buddha is transforming the mind. Because at the moment you see, for example, in the teaching on the pardos are, in the Tibetan teachings, pardo is normally, you see, after you die, before you take on a new birth, that intermediary, that transition is called a pardo. Is that clear? But actually pardos in a life also. In fact, there are 4. Life and living, dying and death, after death, rebirth. There are 4 transitions. They are traditionally known as natural part of this life, painful part of dying, particularly if you're not prepared, and the luminous part of dharmata, and karmic part of becoming. In fact, the most important teaching is really, the teaching is actually part of this life. In fact, the best time to prepare for death is here in this life. In fact, if you were to say, what is the best way to prepare for death? Or what counts most at the moment of death is 2 things. How you've lived your life. Not meaning drinking champagne and caviar. No, really. Yeah. But how you lived your life. You understand? And the state of your mind. In fact, the research has shown in the West that people die as they've lived. So if you want to have a peaceful death, you better live a peaceful life. Nothing comes by chance.